right, our next mathematician is an Italian lady, Maria Agnesi. She was fluent in 7 languages while only a child, and she wrote an essay about the need for higher education for women, and it was published when she was 9. When you're in 4th, 5th grade, you're already fluent in 7 languages, and you write a book talking about the need for higher education, and the book is published when you're 9 years old. Quite an accomplishment for Maria. She wrote math books to show how math fits together and to show good problem-solving techniques, which is exactly something all of us do every single day. You have to have good problem-solving techniques. So, Maria taught her younger brothers geometry and wrote a textbook to help people understand math better. The figures below are isoperimetric. That simply means they all have the same perimeter. So we're going to see which one has the largest area. Let's go ahead and start with an easy one down here, the rectangle. 10 times 26 is how you find the area of a rectangle. So if we do that, we have an area of 260. All right, well, we'll start there. A square, 18 times 18. Well, if you take 18 times 18, 18 squared, and we'll just use our calculator to make sure, we've got 324. 324 is definitely bigger than 260, and we know that when we get to a square, we have probably the largest area that you can have using straight edges. Just to make sure, let's take a look at this rectangle, 12 times 24. So we'll go 12 times 24, and this one we get 288. So it's a little bit larger than this rectangle. The reason why it's larger is because the numbers are closer together. Here, the difference is 16. Here, the difference is 12. The closer you get and the smaller the difference, the greater the area you will have. So, we know that when we're taking triangles, we're going to take 1/2 the base times height. So we're going to take the numbers that are there, we're going to cut them in half. It's not going to be anywhere near these ones. The odd thing here, though, is this circle. To find the area of a circle, we're going to go pi. Then what we have to do is we have to take the radius and we have to square it. So we can see that the radius is 11.46. So let's take 11.46 and we're going to square that. And we can see that we have 131.33. We'll just leave it at that. But then we also have to remember we have to multiply this by pi, which is 3.14. So we'll take that times 3.14. And now we come up with a number that is approximately equal to 412. Obviously, a bit bigger than the 324, but if you need straight edges, the square is the way to go. If you want to optimize the total 72 feet of fencing you've got, put it in a circle. That's what Maria Agnesi helped us with, our mathematician of the day.